In this video, I'm going to show you how you can list your business in Google My Business and get free leads without spending on ads. So people will call you, give you sales or be able to get leads through Google. So this is a sample of businesses that are near me. So I went ahead and wrote this in Google and it was able to give me these options. So what happens with Google is that when you list your business in Google My Business, it will show your business to people within a certain location or within the locations that you ask it to, because I'll show you how you're able to give it different locations depending on where your business is based. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is go to Google and write Google My Business. You will then go ahead and click on this option. You will then sign in. I would recommend you to use a business related or a Gmail account that is in your business name. If you don't have one, you can create, then go ahead and sign in. And once you've done that, you can click on Start Now or Create My Profile. So let's click on Start Now. Now, this is where we start building your business profile. And a business name, I recommend that you write down the name that your business is registered in. So for example, let's say what can I put? Let's say we are doing online digital training. And then you're going to come here and select a business category. So you will get different options. So let's say training. So under training or under whatever category your business is in, you will go ahead and choose. You might get one that is exactly what your business is related to, or you can choose something that is close to your business. So you can keep checking. So for the sake of this video, let's just say it's a training center. We own a training center. Then we go to next. This is very important. It's very important, especially if you have a physical business. You can share location so people can come there directly without even having to call you. So for me, since it's online, I'll say no. Let's see what it gives us. Where do you serve your customers? So here you can give the aim of Google coming up with Google My Business is that they want to help people within given locations to be able to locate your business. So let's say I serve people within Nairobi. I can put that Nairobi County. You can choose as many. I'm able to serve people within Kiambu. And this is very good even for physical businesses who have branches countrywide. Let's say I want to just target people within a certain location. If, for example, I have a grocery store and I want to serve people within Kilimani, then I can specifically target that location. I hope you understand. Maybe if you have a cake business and you want specifically to only supply to people in Nanyuki, you can select that. Okay, so once you've done that part, then click on next. This is where you put a phone number. So you need to know that your contacts will be public. Your contacts will be public. As you can see here, any detail or info that you share in Google My Business will be visible to everyone. So put a number, whether it's your personal number or a business number that you are comfortable people calling you or texting you on. The next part is a website, which is optional, but I advise you to have a website, because sometimes people want to learn more. So they'll go to your website, click on it, and they want to learn about your business, what you offer, even before they engage with you further. For web hosting, I definitely recommend InterServer. I've been with InterServer for years, and I'm going to leave a link at the description where you'll be able to get a discount of you'll be able to pay $0.01 the first month using my coupon code, which I'm going to leave at the description. And then every other month going forward, you'll be paying $7 per month for unlimited hosting of your websites. So you can have 10 websites, 5 websites, or whatever number of websites, just paying $7 per month. So I'm going to leave a link where you can access this, and I'm also going to leave a link of a video that I did previously showing you step by step on how you can build your own website. So go ahead and fill in this part, your phone number. The add chat is optional also. Fill in your phone number again. You will select your country over here and then your phone number, and then click on next. If your business have a physical location and you want people to be visiting you, you have an office, you have a yard, you have a boutique, you have basically you have a place where you want people to visit you, you need to select this so that your business can be shown on Google Map like this. So all these people have selected and put in their pin location. Okay, so let's select yes and then click on next. Then here enter your business address the way we did for the other online one. So put in your address and then click on next. So address, let's say we are located at home. Nairobi 00100. We click on next. So it might ask you, is this your business? Because it already has this in the system. So it's trying to verify whether you are related to these businesses. So just say none of this. Now this is where you put in your map, your business map, and this process, these steps apply to anyone across the world. You can be able to do this from wherever you are. So it already took pulled the location that I put there. So I'm going to click on next. Do you provide deliveries at home or office? Say yes or no. Do you see how much information it's asking from us, just to make it easy for us to get business, and also for people who are looking for businesses around our location to be able to access these services or products. So you can say yes or no depending on your business. So again, this is the place where we were putting the phone number. Just use the drop down arrow to select your country. I've not tried doing this on phone, but I believe you can be able to do this through your mobile phone. So put in your phone number there and then click on next. Oh wow, look. I'm actually already verified. I think it's because I have other profiles with Google. So maybe they already trust me and I'm verified. It has not even taken me 11 minutes and I'm verified. So in the last step, as I mentioned, it's the most important part of your profile building. You will get a screen like this. This is, and it will be written, verify. So Google will give you different options that you can verify your business. It can choose by itself or you can let you choose which option will work for you. So the first one could be business video. Let's say, for example, you've said that you own a salon. It might ask you to take a video showing maybe you opening the salon, the equipments. It will guide you on what exactly you need to show them. For example, this person, if you choose business video, you'll need a mobile device with a camera. This video won't be added to your business profile. So you just show them that you own that business, that you indeed in that location you said you are at. The other option could be sending you a code through your postal address. So make sure the postal address that you put is an address that you can be able to actually get a mail through, because you're going to get a code which you can come back to your profile, write down that code, and then click on verify. And this for the mail to reach you, it could take 1 week to 3 weeks. I think mine took a month, and then I was able to verify. So once you get your postcard with the verification code, you're just going to go back to your profile and then put in the code there and then click submit. The other option that Google could choose to use is maybe verify through your phone, maybe by calling you or sending you a text code, or even sending you a code through your email. So it has different options that it can give you to be able to verify. Now, even as you wait for your verification, you can go ahead and work on your profile. Like, for example, you can add in your business hours, the days you close, what time do you work, from what time to what time. Give enough information that can help guide the clients. The next thing is to add your business description. So here, use words that will help people learn more about your business, and also use what we call optimization. Use the keywords that people use to Google. That way, Google will also be able to place your business among the first in the first page of Google My Business. So basically work on your profile, add your storefront photo if you have, and other photos for your business. And also once your business is already showing up in Google, you can be able to share your review link to your customers. Let them review you, give you whatever rating, good or bad. We said this will be public, so make sure that you give good and quality service to your customers, because the reviews they leave here will definitely impact on your business. As you can see, it took us less than 15 minutes to have our business on Google. So this, you'll get such a screen. Even before you get verified, you should be able to go to your profile and edit, read reviews, or even share reviews with the link with your customers that are existing for them to be able to review you. You can edit products, edit services, create posts. And one more thing before I go, make sure you read the terms and conditions of Google My Business so that you follow the policy that is in place. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like it, share it, and subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.